现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi everyone, my name is Joseph Lin, and it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. 今天呢，为大家来介绍的客语歌曲是罗文玉的《未来留声机》or未来留聲機。这首歌呢，其实是在描述每一个人都有一些梦想，可能藏在心底。那一路走来呢，可能在黑暗中摸索，遇到困难，但是只要坚持呢，在这个逐梦的路上，可能会遇到一些志趣相投的人，让你不再孤单，不再彷徨，共同来朝这个梦想来前进。而罗文玉呢，用了一个80年代的抒情摇滚风格来带出这首《未来留声机》。我们现在来收听。
感情的暗部也不是会潇洒，上下一首歌曲，问未来的情感。
唱呀唱呀唱呀，脆弱而迷惘，心里有光，黑夜里不害怕。
哪有梦让你装有一束光，让你先走，像只野兽，
奔跑在时间长河。
我敢梦大到懦弱，留声机回荡歌颂，让你和我唱出跨越时空的感动。感情的暗部也不是会潇洒，上下一首歌曲，问未来的情感。
唱呀唱呀唱呀，脆弱和迷惘，
心里有光，黑夜里不害怕。哪有梦让你拥有。
That was Winglow's melody called Beyond Time, or Viloy Liusamki, and is a song to remind listeners to always hold on to their dreams, that even if you're lost in the dark, you never know while you're pursuing your dreams if you will meet that someone that will be there with you alongside during the journey. Now this song's got a nostalgic 80s vibe to it, which is really cool. Again, it is called 未来留声机 by 罗文玉. Thank you for listening. It's another Hakka song here on ICRT. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.